Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is Joshua here at American AF Dumpsters. Sorry, my voice is kind of MIA. I'm getting over something. This new year has been a little tough on my vocal cords, so I haven't been able to post very much. But I'm still working hard. I'm still hustling. Today is actually Sunday, and I'm heading to the office to clean up a car real quick, a limo, because my detail guy took off today. So, apologize for the voice. Bear with me. I've got some important things to talk about, and then we'll move on our Sunday. Couple things. So December, January, dog slow. I'm not gonna lie, things have been kind of slow. It's picking up in January. I turned off my ads because I'd gone out of town for Christmas, and then when I got back after New Year, I wasn't feeling so good, so my ads have been off this entire time. And guess what? I've actually been somewhat, it's been slow. It's been January slow, but I've been consistent. I've been pretty consistent. I'm still renting dumpsters out to existing customers. I'm renting customers out to local people from my maps, my Google local businesses listings, and a couple off YouTube, Facebook Marketplace. So I'm okay. I'm actually kind of happy with that. I only literally have, I literally have one dumpster at the yard, and I have one scheduled for pickup and one at the Corsicana house. So 3 out of my 12 is not rented right now, but the rest are. So that's pretty good for being January and being somewhat slow. Some of my contractors are keeping the dumpsters kind of long term, and I'm okay with that too, because again, I haven't felt quite up to working 8 to 10 hours a day doing dumpsters, getting over whatever it is that I got going on. So my voice was cracked like I was 15. It's been a long time. We got to talk about DRSCON. I've been meaning to talk and post a video on that. And DRSCON is coming up. I believe it is February 8th through the 10th for the dumpsters. This is a conference for us dumpster guys who use DRS. I highly suggest, if you use DRS, if you want to use DRS, or if you're thinking about using DRS, come to DumpsterCon. I will be there. They have invited me to come to speak, and I am going to be there February 8th through the 10th. It is in Austin, Texas. I am going to be doing one-on-ones. You can just reach out to me, AmericanAFDumpsters at gmail.com. I'm going to email it, put it right here for you. Reach out to me, let me know if you're coming, and if you want to do a one-on-one, I would be doing one-on-ones. Scheduling some time there. I'm going to be doing some VIP lunches and dinners. If you want to come out and meet with me and a couple of the other guys, hopefully we'll be, hanging out and just kind of doing some stuff. So I want to make the most out of my time down there in Austin to help you guys out as much as I possibly can. Kind of my way of giving back. Before my voice goes out completely, I just want to say I really hope that you guys are really hustling this year. This recession is going to be coming pretty hard. I've been watching no conspiracy things. I'm not trying to go crazy on this channel, but it looks like things are going to get a lot worse before they get better, at least as far as the economy is concerned. So just try to do what you can to save your money as much as you possibly can, and apply your time towards things that will hopefully be recession-proof somewhat, okay? Don't just have one stream of revenue. That's what I've been talking about since I started this channel, and that's why I started doing dumpsters, and I've started other things along the way, is to have multiple streams of revenue, so that in case one thing goes down or one thing slows down because of the economy or the next COVID or the next recession or whatever it may be, one of my other businesses will pick up and kind of supplement that loss of revenue. So do your best. If you only have one source of revenue right now, your goal for this year should be to double that and have a second source of revenue or source of income. If you have 2, double it for this year and have 4. If you have 3, 4, 5, get just 1 or 2 more. Have that be your 2023 New Year's resolution, is that you add another stream of revenue, another stream of income to your household to help out. Guys, I'm struggling to get through this video. I just did it one take, one and done. So give me a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to join the Dumpster Rentals 101 Facebook group, guys. I'm getting rid of all the BS on that page. I don't want anybody in there selling anything unless it's approved. I don't want anybody going in there and spamming the page. And if you do that, I'm booting you out. If you come in with a humble attitude and trying to learn and help others, you are more than welcome. Come on out, join us at the Dumpster Rentals 101 page. Don't forget to come out to DRSCON. I'm going to have a link below. I am not getting any kind of kickback, although DRS, you really should be, but no kind of kickback. They do charge, and it's not just going to be me there. There's going to be a lot of other marketing, some advice on tips on how to use the software, ways to grow your business, all kinds of stuff. So, I don't know. I'm excited to see what they have to offer. And I'm going to be honest with you. If it's worth the money, I'll let you know it's worth the money. If it's not worth the money, I'll let you know for next year not to come. So, DRS, make sure you're living up to it, because I think it's like $600. That's a lot of money for people to spend to come out to your place when they're already your customer. And I get it. But I also get the value. I see the value that they could provide this industry if it works out good. So I am stoked. I'm looking forward to it. I will be down in Austin, so make sure you guys are too. Come out, visit, and let's start this new year off right, y'all. Until next time, hopefully I'll come back with a better voice. We'll see you guys on the next one.